What have you done today?
I have cleaned my room.
Where have you put your book?
I have put it on the table.
Why has she gone home?
She has felt tired.
When have you finished your homework?
I have finished it now.
Who has helped you?
My sister has helped me.
What has he eaten for lunch?
He has eaten a sandwich.
Where have they gone?
They have gone to the park.
Why has she called you?
She has needed help.
When have you washed your clothes?
I have washed them today.
What have they bought?
They have bought a new car.
What places have you visited?
I have visited Paris and London.
Where has she traveled?
She has traveled to India.
Why has he stayed at home?
He has felt sick.
When have you seen this movie?
I have seen it this week.
Who has met the teacher?
Ravi has met the teacher.
What food have you tried?
I have tried sushi.
Where has he played football?
He has played in the park.
Why have they taken the bus?
They have lost their car keys.
When has she gone to the library?
She has gone in the morning.
Who has visited your house?
My uncle has visited my house.
What book have you read?
I have read a storybook.
Where have you put your keys?
I have put them in my bag.
Why has he left early?
He has had a meeting.
When have you called your mom?
I have called her this evening.
Who has cooked dinner?
My mom has cooked dinner.
What has she written?
She has written a letter.
Where have they stayed?
They have stayed in a hotel.
Why has the baby cried?
The baby has felt hungry.
When have you cleaned your room?
I have cleaned it today.
Who has lost the key?
My brother has lost it.
What subject have you studied?
I have studied English.
Where has she worked?
She has worked in a bank.
Why have you missed school?
I have been sick.
When have they finished the project?
They have finished it today.
Who has sent the email?
My teacher has sent it.
What job has he applied for?
He has applied for a teacher job.
Where have they gone for training?
They have gone to the office.
Why has she not completed her work?
She has been busy.
When have you met your boss?
I have met him this morning.
Who has given you this book?
My friend has given it.
What has made you happy?
A good result has made me happy.
Where has she left her phone?
She has left it on the table.
Why have they gone outside?
They have wanted fresh air.
When have you visited the zoo?
I have visited it last week.
Who has taken my pen?
Your brother has taken it.
What song have you listened to?
I have listened to a pop song.
Where have they bought the dress?
They have bought it from the mall.
Why has he been late?
He has missed the bus.
When have you gone to bed?
I have gone to bed early.
Who has broken the glass?
The child has broken it.
What have you done this morning?
I have made breakfast.
Where has she kept the phone?
She has kept it on the bed.
Why have they closed the door?
They have felt cold.
When have you brushed your teeth?
I have brushed them now.
Who has taken my bag?
Your brother has taken it.
What has she prepared for lunch?
She has prepared pasta.
Where have they parked the car?
They have parked it outside.
Why has he left the party early?
He has felt sleepy.
When have you gone shopping?
I have gone today.
Who has cleaned the table?
My sister has cleaned it.
What movie have you watched?
I have watched a comedy.
Where has she gone for a trip?
She has gone to Dubai.
Why have they visited the doctor?
They have been sick.
When have you traveled abroad?
I have traveled this year.
Who has seen the new teacher?
Alex has seen him.
What new food have you tried?
I have tried noodles.
Where has he played cricket?
He has played in the stadium.
Why have you gone to the mall?
I have needed some clothes.
When has she met her friend?
She has met her today.
Who has sung the song?
My sister has sung it.
What have you done for your parents?
I have bought them gifts.
Where have you seen my book?
I have seen it on the desk.
Why has he visited his uncle?
He has wanted to see him.
When have you cleaned the kitchen?
I have cleaned it today.
Who has called you?
My friend has called me.
What dress has she worn today?
She has worn a red dress.
Where has he left his laptop?
He has left it in the office.
Why have they decorated the house?
They have had a party.
When have you visited your grandma?
I have visited her this weekend.
Who has helped you with your work?
My cousin has helped me.
What book have you read this week?
I have read a novel.
Where has she studied English?
She has studied at school.
Why have they missed the class?
They have been late.
When have you written the report?
I have written it today.
Who has checked the exam papers?
The teacher has checked them.
What subject has he chosen?
He has chosen science.
Where have they attended the seminar?
They have attended it online.
Why has she left the office early?
She has had a meeting.
When have you completed your assignment?
I have completed it today.
Who has signed the document?
The manager has signed it.
What game have you played?
I have played chess.
Where has she put the files?
She has put them on the shelf.
Why have they gone to the bank?
They have needed money.
When have you last used your phone?
I have used it now.
Who has given you this pen?
My teacher has given it.
What pet have you had?
I have had a cat.
Where have they bought the shoes?
They have bought them at the market.
Why has he brought a cake?
He has had a birthday.
When have you visited the museum?
I have visited it last month.
Who has fixed the car?
The mechanic has fixed it.
What have you done in the kitchen?
I have cooked dinner.
Where has she put her glasses?
She has put them on the table.
Why have they turned off the lights?
They have gone to sleep.
When have you washed your hands?
I have washed them now.
Who has watered the plants?
My father has watered them.
What has he done in the garden?
He has planted flowers.
Where have you seen my phone?
I have seen it on the chair.
Why has she changed her dress?
She has spilled juice on it.
When have you last eaten?
I have eaten in the afternoon.
Who has opened the window?
My brother has opened it.
What sport have you played?
I have played football.
Where has she gone for a picnic?
She has gone to the lake.
Why have they visited the zoo?
They have wanted to see animals.
When have you traveled to another city?
I have traveled last month.
Who has taken your picture?
My friend has taken it.
What has he eaten at the new restaurant?
He has eaten pizza.
Where have they stayed during the trip?
They have stayed in a hotel.
Why has she bought a new phone?
She has broken the old one.
When have you seen the sunrise?
I have seen it today.
Who has painted the house?
A worker has painted it.
What present have you given your friend?
I have given him a book.
Where has he left his wallet?
He has left it in the car.
Why have they called you?
They have wanted to talk.
When have you visited your cousin?
I have visited her this week.
Who has baked the cake?
My mother has baked it.
What color dress has she worn?
She has worn a blue dress.
Where has he placed the books?
He has placed them on the shelf.
Why have they decorated the living room?
They have had a party.
When have you talked to your teacher?
I have talked to her today.
Who has given you this advice?
My father has given it.
What homework have you completed?
I have completed my English homework.
Where has she kept the files?
She has kept them in the drawer.
Why have they finished work early?
They have worked fast.
When have you submitted the report?
I have submitted it today.
Who has checked the attendance?
The teacher has checked it.
What topic has he studied?
He has studied math.
Where have they held the meeting?
They have held it in the office.
Why has she taken a day off?
She has needed rest.
When have you started your job?
I have started it last month.
Who has signed the agreement?
The manager has signed it.
What song have you learned?
I have learned a love song.
Where has she found the lost keys?
She has found them under the bed.
Why have they changed the plan?
They have had some problems.
When have you visited a temple?
I have visited it last Sunday.
Who has taken your pen?
My classmate has taken it.
What new hobby have you started?
I have started painting.
Where have they gone for dinner?
They have gone to a Chinese restaurant.
Why has he missed the train?
He has arrived late.
When have you last gone to a movie theater?
I have gone last week.
Who has helped you with your project?
My best friend has helped me.